everyone. Today again I'm just going to draw a beautiful landscape. Okay, just from see this is my center of the page. Okay, and just below that I'm just drawing a straight line. Okay, just I'm drawing the straight line, and now I'm just doing the circle, semicircle. Okay, like a semicircle we will do it, and then just from here one line, and from here one, like this. Okay, and a small curve like this, and from here also a line like this, and here a small boat. Okay, a small boat like structure we will do, and so the drawing is finished, means outline is finished. So we are going to start the coloring. It's very easy. Before coloring we should make the drawing light, right? So we have made the drawing lighter, and now first we will do the medium yellow. Okay, medium yellow, or use the lemon yellow or light yellow, anyone. Acha, use the light yellow. Okay, use the light yellow inside the sun. Inside the sun, use the light yellow. Okay, use the light yellow inside the sun from here. And after lemon yellow, sorry, it's a light yellow. After that I will use a little bit. Now I will take the cremine. Okay, I will use the cremine color from the top. Use the cremine color from the top. Smoothly. Okay, you have to do it smoothly, and from the bottom also we will do the cremine color. If you don't have cremine, you can use the maroon color also. More or less it will come same only. Okay, and after cremine I have to use primary red. Okay, it's a primary red color. Just blend the maroon, means sorry, cremine. Blend the cremine first, then start doing it from here. I will do the primary red over here also. And I will do the primary red over here also. Now I will use the scarlet. Okay, I will use now scarlet. After primary red I am going to use the scarlet color. Scarlet. Scarlet color. Scarlet. Now I am going to use the scarlet color. Okay, and now I will use the orange color. orange color. Okay, it's a orange color. I'm just using the orange color. I'm just using the orange color. Okay, just using the orange color over here. Just we will do the orange full. Okay, now here little bit orange. Okay, it's a orange. And now I will use the medium yellow over here inside the sun. Okay, medium yellow. Now I will use the deep yellow. First I will use the deep yellow. Blend the orange with deep yellow, and now I will blend it with medium yellow. Leave some white space also. That will look good. Now I will take black color. It's a black color. Okay, and the first tree I'm going to draw over here. Okay, see, like here with the curve lining. Just we have to draw the curve lining. Okay, just curve lining. It's very easy to draw. One more here also. See, curve lining. Here also curve lining. Okay, like this. Here this one also curve lining. Also curve lining. Curve lining. Here also curve lining. This one also curve lining. Curve. Do with light pressure. You will able to draw the leaves very thin. Okay. Or else you can use a glass marker to draw these leaves. Okay, very easy to draw. Now here the line which I was talking. And here some glasses with a black color only. Okay, the strokes we have to do from bottom to top, like a strokes, 1 2 like this. Okay, sometimes small, sometimes big. Very thin glasses you should over here. And now the board which we have done. Now with the glass marker now, in opposite direction, just I will do the shadow. Okay, shadow of the board with a very light pressure. It will come like this, and from here now I will draw the barrier. Okay, very easy to draw this. Okay, but now it's done. Thank you.